Batisi TV, Lone Rashapi da ka Frank Motors, ka Jaka Dekali ka Bathamai jong ka Tata Motors, Halatko ni Shillong, Ringkat ba ka Net Foodish, Ordar Mapi, Ninwan Ramani, Hakir Dobyeng Jongpi.
Kehenyo trip Achik National Movement Ribhoi District, hakasni balang jong ka Sautrik ubna jemang arajar arpoar, kala IT di ka Dorkas ha menteri ketenat ki kampo yang ke Sarkar Jilla, hakabayadai bat ka Jingdawa ban kenteu kerdan police station ya ka Umsning outpost. Kene ka jing kerpat jong ka seng ye ka Sarkar kalong ban tek lakam ye ka jing khai drop bean, bat ban wen ye ka jing dheng kali ka bajur ha surok ba folin ha ka bakipat ba ki ju ye kendo jing ha ka lait kawan na ka daw ka jing bon syaba palat jong ki kali bat ki nong lait nong wan lingba kene ka surok.
Nagalang dungi yuan ban kendo ban dawa na home minister ban naga government ka bedai ban upgrade ya ka Umsning outpost ban upgrade no ka police station. Nama nagalang kaseng niui ka jinglong jiman joko Umsning menta ka dei gawai nagi sentar po Ribhoi. Te niui ba ka population ka ba katega outpost kan chat ka poi hadu ndrup ho wajar bat kisnong ke bakentuk ki poi hadu sanpo tuli kisnong te ngila idon kam ban upgrade no ya katega outpost ka police station nama ka Umsning ka dei ka sen ka dei gawai nagi sentar kaba kipai ba kilik kiwan ma po kadong Ribhoi ke jongi dena galeng kaseng ngi penpau seka Sarkar ba khamtam ya ihum minister ba kesingi ot ni ai kuble ya i ba ila ai ga asuran ngamta ka baidai bat kene ka kam tingi ngi skem ka e ka ba ila kula rahmat ngi kaseng ngi ba ka kam kan sa urlong kenang ba gajing sup kanwan ya upai ba no song jong ka Umsning hi bro kawai amar ngi i sipun gijing e ngilap ba teng kumban su ai usaha ba don gijing pluing jencara po ria Umsning kan apa gi fire service keing ngala ingkong kadaw kalong ba tangka outpost kan no egila ko wei bangi i ba kiman powar kiduna ka outpost te kumtala don kam kerki ye ka outpost ban upgrade no syaka police station te nagale ka seng kanum kot te metasngi nginang ya buddin ni ka kam haduk bakan urlong bangi kwa ai ba nginyo ia ka police station ha te po Umsning.
Honorable Sir, we, with reference to the subjects stated above, we understand on behalf of the movement would like to bring to your notice following proposal of kind consultations and favorable action. That with the passage of time, Umsning village has changed from hamlet to developing urban center in the entire Ribhoi district of the state. Now there are colleges, Balawan College and Ribhoi Senior College, along with several secondary, higher secondary and upper primary school in and around the village. Beside them, there are English medium school from nursery to upper primary level, in which many children come to Umsning for schooling. There are different agencies with the outpost area. There are hospital, clinics, government office, CRT block, PWD and PHE division. The Kardem Kulai area is having poultry, piggery farm, VFA training center, agriculture, college and fish mill. We have tea plantations and horticulture centers for productions of various fruits such as strawberry and clover. A big dairy farm in being sets for chilling of meals and that's to regulate and prevent unwanted activities and to check drugs addiction. The strong police force is required urgently and it is not possible for an outpost with limited numbers of persons and to look after the civil requirements. In view of the above, the upgradations of present police outposts into full-fledged police is urgently necessary for the safety and security of the people of Umsning area.